Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see how to remember Article 24 of Indian Constitution. Article 24 says, no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or engage in any other hazardous employment. Friends, after reading these two lines of statements, do you feel is it easy to remember in long term? If yes, please comment your opinion below the video. Exactly, many people will fail to recall the exact words during the examination, even though they did multiple reasons, because they have not followed tribular system formula. That is, right way of reading, right way of comprehending, right way of retention. So friends, in this video, I will try to help you to remember using phonic method. Here we have 0 to 9 numbers which are fixed, corresponding sounds also fixed. Based upon the phonic sounds, we have to prepare peg images. Peg images also fixed, they are 0 to 99. It means 100 peg images. So let us try to derive one peg image for our article. Our article is 24. So what is the corresponding phonic sound for 2 and corresponding phonic sound for 4? We have to go to the phonic method. See the chart here. We have N and R, right? R for 4, N for 2. Just bring that N R. In between, we have to give some vowels. So here I have used E as vowel and some other letters also we can use. So there is no fixed criteria, but here the word is Nehru. So now we will try to connect that Nehru word to our actual article meaning. So my story is like this. Nehru ordered no child below 14 years should not work in mine, factory, or hazardous places. Friends, is it easy to remember or not? Just visualize yourself, Nehru and children. Nehru ordered the children not to work in factory, mine, and hazardous places. That's it. See you in the next video.